What's up, everybody? We are at the Xaman-Ha Aviary here in Playa Del Carmen, Quinta Avenida. Cost me 300 pesos, which is roughly about 19 Canadian to get in. It's a little bird sanctuary, all different types of birds that you can find in Central and South America. So we're going to start off this tour. And right here at the beginning, look at that. Wow. We have some guacamayas. Look at that. Look how pretty they are. Oh, and look at this side. What is that? I'm not sure what animal it is. Cool. Back to the birds. There's a whole bunch of them over there. Got more on that side. Let's keep on walking in. It's amazing. Right at the beginning, we're already seeing animals. And even more amazing part is, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but if you look up, there's no roof, there's no cage. They're all free and they all stay here in this section. There's some more. Look at them. Such beautiful animals. Hello. Wow. All right. Oh, and look down here. We have an iguana. This is going to be a lot of nature and wildlife in this one. So cool. Some more guacamayas over here. And let's continue the tour. I gotta send a special shout out to Rupp for suggesting this place. It is actually even more amazing than it looked on his video. And I like it. It's hot, but I mean, it's somewhere in Mexico. It's hot everywhere. But it is a fun experience. Go up these steps. See what else we can find. Hi. Got a little like pond down there. I don't see nothing in it though. I don't see anything this side. Let's just keep following the trail and see what we can find. They listed the name of all the birds that you could find here, but they said it's so fast, it's like, how am I going to remember all those birds? Come on. Instead of just giving a little pamphlet or something. There's an idea for you guys if you're watching this video. Pass here through little ledge area. Let's look out. Don't see anything. You can hear birds around, but who knows where they're at. I also gotta be careful with these paths because they're just stone paths and you can easily trip. You fall, you're definitely gonna get hurt. Oh, and down there there's a, looks like a parrot. I'll try to zoom in so you guys can see better. Get over here and, oh, you just hit the mother load. I won't show you guys till we get there. Hold on, we're almost there. You can hear the noises and here it is. We've got flamingos and storks. Actual flamingos and storks. And some blackbirds trying to steal the food. Wow. That is amazing. That is amazing. Starts off with a waterfall, a little pond, and a whole bunch of flamingos and storks. And blackbirds, like I said, trying to poach their food. So cool. Looks like we can go a little down here. Let's try to get a little closer. This place is really amazing. Look at that. Wow. Look at those flamingos just flamingling around. And some other type of bird. Is it a duck or something? I don't know. But it's really enjoying the flamingos' food. So cool. Alright. Let's continue the tour because today is actually checkout day in Playa del Carmen. Playa del Carmen is more of a party city than anything. You can see the beach, which it's okay. We might pass by it. I might take a walk through it on my way back. But at the moment they're suffering with sargassum. It's a type of seaweed that's been popping up all over. It's stinky. Makes it hard to get to the water, so it's not that good. Plus we had a nice view of the beach in Progreso. I'll put the link to that video. What's this? Oh, this is a cage section, but it's an actual aviary. Let's give this a try. Let's see what we find in here. Go in, yeah. Oh, it looks like some sort of peacock or something. Like I said, I don't really know my birds. But there's a whole bunch of them in here. I guess they gotta be separated from the rest of the birds. Maybe they don't get along. Who knows? Look up. Is there any other? Oh, cool. We've got a toucan up here. Kill Bill toucan, also known as the national bird of Belize, originally born. That is so cool. I'll try to zoom in on it for you guys. That is cool. I always gotta remember to look up. They are birds after all, so a lot of them will be in the trees. And I don't see any other types of birds around, sadly. Oh, actually, spoke too soon. There's something down here. No clue what that is either. Like I said, I'll zoom in for all of you to see. So hopefully, if you're seeing this, it's zoomed in. I'm just mentioning it every time. That way, when I'm editing the video, I can remember to zoom in. They're like personal notes to myself. And we're back out again. It's so hot. As you can see, I'm like a bucket of sweat already. I'm not made for this heat. And it's funny because I was born in Belize. It's a hot tropical country, right? Yet I got spoiled in Canada. I can't take this heat anymore. Keep following the trail. I don't see anything around here. It is a bit stinky though. But I just think a bit stinky. Like a rotten fish smell. Ooh, that's why. Down here, looks like we've got more storks. Let's come down and take a look. Look at this guy right here. He's huge, man. Holy cow. Go down real nice and slow because I don't know if he's friendly or not. Last thing I want to do is have him attack. They should be used to seeing humans, so I don't think they're scared. Hey, little buddy, you don't have to fly away. Wow, look at that guy. He is big. Wow. And then there's more out here in the water. I guess they're storks. I don't know what type or anything. They really should have signs about what type of animals these are. And there he goes down. He doesn't trust me too much. Which is okay because I don't trust him too much either. Look at all these animals. So beautiful. That's amazing. And I'm sorry, buddy, but this is our pathway out, so we need to cross here. I'm not trying to chase you, but we need to cross here to get out, so excuse me. Thank you very much. Very kind of you, sir. He definitely doesn't trust us, but it's fine. Keep on walking. Keep on talking as we explore the Xaman-Ha Aviary here in Playa del Carmen, Quinta Avenida, Mexico. Where are we going after this? Good question. I had originally started this adventure out. I had things mapped for the Yucatan, and after that I didn't have anything planned. I'm pretty much just, oh, look at the bird, duck down there. I'm just pretty much freestyling it, doing whatever I think I should. It's more fun like that. So I find it a lot easier to just live day by day. Look, here's another one. Are they capybaras? What are they? I don't know. I really should know. I mean, I'm from this part of the world. Should have paid a little more attention in school, I guess. Oh, and back here, oh, we're by the Guacamayas again, so that's the entrance. Looks like we've made it all around. It's not too big of an aviary, but it's cool. Hello. You guys want to talk better? If you don't know, Guacamayas actually can talk. Just like parrots. Who knows if enough people talk to them here that they learn. Hello. Hello. Subscribe to Sugar-Free Traveler. Subscribe to Sugar-Free Traveler. Can you learn that? Subscribe to Sugar-Free Traveler. Subscribe to Sugar-Free Traveler. No. Gotta spend like a whole day here just repeating it and teaching them how to say it. Here's the boar here. Yeah, you guys are still there making out, huh? Yeah, you've been there all day since I got in. Alright, and this is the entrance again, so that's the end of the tour. Thanks for watching. I'll leave the link in the description how to find this place, because it's kind of a little ways off, and actually not that bad. It's like 15 minutes from Quinta Avenida, and not many people know about it, like Jason Rupp had mentioned, which is amazing. You want attention still? Subscribe to Sugar Free Traveler. Subscribe to Sugar Free Traveler. For 19 Canadian, it's not bad. It'd be probably like 15, 16 US. You know, I always put the prices below. 300 pesos. Alright, that's it for me. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment. Hit that like button. Share with all your friends, family, neighbors, enemies. Let's get this channel going. And see you on the next adventure. Bye.